You tap dancing?
Mommy, if you push the light, you don't get sick, right?
Stop doing that.